Hi Grose kids! I'm going to be making this video for you on how to draw polygons. Miss Grose and I were talking about the best ways to do it. I'm going to be drawing it on some notebook paper. So all you'll need is a notebook paper and a pencil and follow along. I hope you will find these instructions to be easy enough to draw some polygons. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so the first shapes I want to start with are the quadrilateral shapes, and I have that word written here, and I drew two different quadrilaterals. One is just a simple square, and that one's going to be pretty easy for you to draw. We do draw that one pretty often in the art class. And the other one is slightly slanted at an angle, and I just draw a line. I use the lines of these notebook papers to help me. Draw a line across the top and a line across the bottom, and this one's just kind of moved further over, and then two lines connecting them together. So this one is slanted. This one we call a parallelogram, but I think that's more for third grade. It's still a quadrilateral because of its four straight sides. Okay, let's move on to the pentagon. What I like to do to draw a pentagon is a straight line across the bottom. So pick a line of your notebook paper, pick a line across the bottom, count two lines up and make a dot. So make a dot on that. Now I'm going to make two straight lines, sort of like I'm going to draw a triangle, two lines coming out of each side, and then connect that together with the bottom line. So if you count these, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 sides for a pentagon. So again, I'm going to make a dot and a straight line. I move two lines down on the notebook paper. The line going down. So a dot and a line. Come down like I'm going to make a triangle. Stop at that line there in the middle of the notebook paper and then connect them. So there you have a simple pentagon. Okay, let's do two different shapes. I have here is a hexagon. So here's the word hexagon with my shapes. So I'm going to use these two spaces right here of my notebook paper. I'm going to make a line at the bottom, or the top I should say. Here's the top, here's the bottom. Now these I want to connect at the line that's in the middle on the notebook paper and connect them down. You see the difference here is for the pentagon we had a dot, the hexagon we have a straight line. So the sides on here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how we get them. So let's make it again. A line at the top, skip a line on the notebook paper, a line at the bottom, a diagonal line coming out the side, and I just touch that middle line here and then connect it to that bottom line I first made. And then you get a hexagon. Now a hexagon and an octagon are very similar, so I put them on the same page together. So an octagon, the easiest way for me is to make a line at the top, a line at the bottom, but this time, this is the cool part. I like doing this. I like coming over to the side and adding a line coming up and down, just a line segment going up and down, and then I connect them together with some diagonal lines, just like this. And it might not be perfect, but it still has 8 sides, so therefore it's an octagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. Perfect. Okay, let's draw it again. A line at the top, a line at the bottom, a line on the side, a line on the other side, and connect them together with diagonals. So these might not turn out perfect, but we're not looking for these to be perfect. We're just doing our best. So if you count the sides, you get 8 sides. So an octagon, a hexagon, a pentagon, and a quadrilateral. Okay, good luck. And send me your photos. Send me your photos of you drawing these at home. I would love to see them. Thanks, parents. See you guys soon.